sorry, the crosses. So these are the technical levels to watch on crosses for the month of February that begins now. So we'll begin again from the Swiss franc. Remember, prone to intervention by the S&B. Anyway, Euro Swiss here at 106.80 at the moment. Support awaits there at 106.35, just the low point at the end of January. Resistance 107, round number, and high resistance 107.50. I suspect that the S&B wants to see Euro Swiss trading between 108 to 110. They intervene relatively quietly. Much more interesting currency pair is the Brexit pair, the European euro against the British pound. So currently flirting with 85.75, resistance there at 86.35, followed by 87. To the downside, we have 85 and 84.60. We can't complain about the lack of movement here. So we do have some days of range trading, but we did have big movements. A high level to the top side is 88.50, and to the downside we have 83.80. Euro yen currently 122.40, resistance 123.30 and 123.80. A bit of stability here. Support 121.60 and 121. Further support 120.45. I would say this currency pair is a bit choppy, this cross. But we have less choppiness here, and one of retail traders' favorite crosses, the pound yen, the dragon, currently 142.70. Resistance there at 144.80, and it's followed by 145.40. To the downside, we have 140.50, 139, and 138. Well, even lower, we have 136.40. Technical lines here are clear to see. Lots of pips here, lots of pips to win, lots of pips to lose as well. Okay, and we'll finish up our crosses by moving outside the world of currency pairs to the number one commodity, oil. 52.75 is the current level on WTI crude oil. Support still at the the former double top of 52, followed by 50.50 and 49.50. So the round number 50 is technically, I don't see it as support. To the top side, we have the previous highs of 54.50 and 55.20. Okay, so that completes a roundup of currency pairs.